So this is a quick little session lap for me, since I haven't been here before. Talking Rock. Just feeling it out. Just scouting these, I know you can jump that. So still waiting to get that brake fixed. Just feeling it out. Cool. That'd be fun right there. Nice. Once again, Talking Rock. Some Green Trail. I think it's one of the easier ones. Nice little rocks and stuff. But the pine straw is everywhere. Getting the feel for the different trail. Yeah, you definitely could obtain some speed here. That late shifting. So it could be a bent derailleur hanger. The problem is it's welded. So I'm hoping that's not the case. All right, session. What is this? Dragon's Tail exit. Oh, the pine straws everywhere. I think I've already been through here. I think. I don't know. What is this? Alright, cool. on the pine straw. That's my delay lately. Just so many rides from February and January, really. Cool. So that berm definitely can go in a lot more speed. Definitely. Oh, that's a nice jump. Okay. Now this would be a lot of fun. Got a session in there. Ooh. All right. A little bad. Late. Oh, gotta get this thing fixed. I'm back on hyper smooth today. Just regular. What do we got? Alrighty. Talking Rock. Talking Rock. do a little dragon's tail. So, interesting. So you come down, you're supposed to go up that. Oh wow. Huh. Yeah. It'll be fun one day. Bounce off that. Okay, so that's what he's saying. These rock drops. Yeah, I mean, it's beyond my level at the moment. It wasn't, but it is now. That's not. But dropping off on the pine straw, nah, and so is that. For now. Okay. Oh, that's what he's talking about right there. There we go. Wow. Okay, what? No, that was it. All right, so I'm gonna go back. Okay. Oh, there we go. Cool. All right. Cool stuff. Pollen struggle is real today. Cool stuff right here. Huh. Oh, okay, that's great. Huh. Green sign. Cool. Those rocks are pretty sweet right there. Supposed to fly through the corner, man. Not on this bike. Don't work that way, really. Pine straw for free. And alrighty. that's it. Cool. Good to see you. Got you on camera right now, but I probably won't put it in the video. But dude, it was good to see you. To the Nitro South. All right. Okay. Nitro Nick South. All right, I got it. Cool. All right. Pine Straw is out of control. What's this? Huh. Well, that would have been cool if I knew about it. What he is. Shout out to Jeremy and Sean. So Sean is a guy I rode with on South Loop, or rode behind. The guy on South Loop I thought was another YouTuber, but he's a guy that's got a similar bike. Anyways, South Loop. Trail less traveled, that one. He's at the beginning of the video. It's the last time I saw him, but he was up here. Really cool seeing different and fun. Ooh, getting loose. Huh. Into the dark. Whoa. See? Oh, that was bad riding. Wow. Easy stuff. Climbing comes. Shift. That's far down on the right.